Hello guys, in this session we are going to see about functional dependency. I am Sharon. Here we are going to see what is functional dependency, how to define it and its types. What is functional dependency? It determines the relation of one attribute with another attribute in database management system. It helps to maintain quality of data in database. The attribute of a table is said to be dependent of each other when an attribute of a table uniquely identifies another attribute. Here functional dependency defines the relationship among attributes. This is the general form of defining functional dependency. A determines B. It states that B is functionally dependent on A and B is called as a dependent attribute. A is a determinant set. Column A of table uniquely identify column B, then it can be represented as A determines B. A functional dependency, A determines B in a relation hold if two tuple of attribute A have same value, then for attribute B also have the same value. We can see this with example. Let us take the relation or with attribute ABC having this values. Here we have to check which one is a valid functional dependency and invalid. Here the first case A determine B. Yes, we can take these two column AB. Here A is a unique identifier, so it is definitely determining B. So it is a valid functional dependency. B determines C. Second one. Here B value is repeating 2 to C is also existing the same value. So it is also a valid functional dependency. In the third case BC determining A. 2, 3 is determining 1. 2, 3 is determining 4. No, it should not be 4. It should be 1. So it is not a valid functional dependency. Then fourth one AC determine B. 1, 3 determining 2, 4, 3 determining 2, 5, 3 is determining 3. It is a valid functional dependency. We can take the student table with attribute roll number, name, age and the functional dependency roll number A. Determining name means roll number can uniquely identify the name attribute. So here name is functionally dependent on roll number. The types of functional dependency: trivial functional dependency, non-trivial, multi-valued and transitivity. Trivial functional dependency. It states that dependent is always a subset of determinant. That is, if A determines B and B is the subset of A, then it is called as a trivial functional dependency. We can take the student table with attribute. Roll number, name is determining name, where name is a subset of roll number and name. So it is a trivial functional dependency. And this is also a trivial functional dependency. Roll number determining roll number is a functional dependency. Non-trivial. So it states that a determinant is strictly not a subset of determinant. Dependent is not a subset of determinant. If A determines B and B is not a subset of A, then it is a non-trivial. Example, roll number determine name. Here name is not a subset of this determinant, so it is not a non-trivial functional. And in this case also, roll number, name determine age. Age is not a subset of roll number, name. So this is not a non-trivial. And multi-valid functional dependency, entities of the dependent set are not dependent on each other. Here if A determinant BC and there exists no functional dependency between B and C, then it is called as a multi-valid dependency. Example, roll number determine name, age is a multi-valid dependency since the dependent name and age are not dependent on each other. Transitive functional dependency is indirectly dependent on determinant. That is, A determine B and B determine C. Then according to the transitivity rule, A can determine C is called as a transitivity functional dependency. Thank you.